Okay, hello kids. Welcome back to my English channel. So now let's review your previous lesson. Bikes for all the family. Bikes for all the family. This is a perfect bike for a girl, aged from 5 to 9. This is a perfect bike for a girl, aged from 5 to 9. It's pink and purple. It's got 2 seats. It's got 2 seats. One for the girl and a seat behind for a door. One for the girl and a seat behind for a door. This bike is fast and fun. This bike is fast and fun. This bike is black and orange and has got big wheels. This bike is black and orange and has got big wheels. It's a good bike for children aged from 7 to 10. It's a good bike for children aged from 7 to 10. You can ride this bike on grass or sand. You can ride this bike on grass or sand. So take it to the park or beach. So take it to the park or beach. This bike is perfect for very young children. This bike is perfect for very young children, aged from 2 to 4. Aged from 2 to 4. It's got 3 wheels. It's got 3 wheels. 1 big and 2 small. It's red, yellow, and green. It's red, yellow, and green. Các em lưu ý một số từ mới. Nghe và nhắc lại cho cô. A perfect bike. A perfect bike. Aged from 5 to 9. Aged from 5 to 9. 2 seats. 2 seats. 2 seats. Fast. Fast. Fun. Fun. Has got big wheels. Has got big wheels. Aged from 7 to 10. Aged from 7 to 10. On grass or sand. On grass or sand. Take it to the park or beach. Take it to the park or beach. Young children. Young children. It's got 3 wheels. It's got 3 wheels. Okay? So remember to practice reading at home. Các bạn nhớ luyện tập đọc ở nhà nhé. Bye bye guys. Nhớ ghi âm và trả bài cho cô nhé. Goodbye and see you.